Hey guys, my name's Jamin. Thanks for visiting my channel. In this video, I'm working with a Dell Latitude E7470, and I'm going to show you how to access your internal battery if you need to replace it or upgrade it. So first thing to do, guys, shut your computer down, make sure it's powered off correctly, unplug it from your charger. We're going to flip it over to access our bottom case screws. Now you have 3 screws here on the left, 3 screws here on the right, and 2 in the middle. After removing those guys, you can take a small, preferably plastic pry tool and go around the edge of your computer and pry off this bottom case from your palm rest. Nice and slow. Take a couple passes if you need to. But once you get that bottom case off, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Here is your battery. Most of you will see a battery that looks like this with some extra unused space here. This, I think, is the standard battery that comes with this computer. It's a Dell battery, 42 watt hour, 11.4 volt. And this part number or model number is 7CJRC. I'll have that below in the description in case you're looking for a replacement. However, I've also seen this computer with a larger battery that looks something like this. So this battery is upgradable. You guys can get this larger battery. It's a 55 watt hour. It's a much larger battery. So this upgrade is possible. Now to get this battery out, it's a single screw right here, because you'll notice there's a screw hole here, but that came out with the bottom case. So there's one single screw hole left right here, and then you have your battery plug right here. Now you have a couple different options to remove this battery. You can unplug it from the motherboard here. There's a black pull tab that you can pull straight up that unplugs it, or this cable actually plugs into the battery. If you follow this cable, it goes over here under the battery and plugs in here. You just grab this and pull straight down and it'll come out of the battery. So you can unplug it from either side. Okay, so that's our video. I hope it was helpful and it allowed you to do what you were trying to do. If you have any questions, guys, check out the FAQs below in the description. I do try to keep those updated. If you need to leave me a comment or question, please do. I do try to get to those as often as possible. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And now I'll leave you with a quick word from my affiliate partner, a great place to get games, Humble Bundle. At Humble, guys, you can get the latest games at great prices. They also have great ways to save when you're buying. You can bundle your games together in a purchase instead of buying them one at a time. You can also join Humble Choice, which is a monthly subscription service that gets you free games every month. And you can also feel good about your purchases because Humble has donated a ton of money to charity. And every time you pay your Humble Choice membership, every time you use my link, charity gets more. So it's a great website, guys, great place to get games. Check it out with the link above. I'll also have the link below in my description.